We believe primary care and technology should work together. Our app will help you access the care you need, when and how you need it. The home screen is your starting point. From here, you can easily schedule an appointment, view your reminders, see nearby offices, access your messages, view your health information, and more. Let's start by booking an appointment. You can easily schedule same or next day appointments in a nearby office or opt for a remote visit with a provider in your state. Scheduled visits are billed to your insurance, so you might have a copay. To get started, select an in-office or remote visit. Tell us what you need care for. Select your location and choose an available appointment. You can view your upcoming appointment at the top of the home screen. We know health needs can come up suddenly. That's why we provide on-demand care options to help you feel better fast. You can easily request and refill prescriptions. Just answer a few questions and specify your pharmacy. Quickly get care for common ailments like seasonal allergies. Answer a few questions about your symptoms, and someone from our medical team will get back to you with next steps. For an urgent concern like a sinus infection, you can request a video call with our virtual medical team right in the app. Video chat is available 24/7 and included in your membership at no extra cost to you. That means no copays.
Hey, it's good to see you. How are you feeling?
You can access your health information and message our team from the bottom navigation bar. We make it easy to message a provider with any post-visit questions or reach out to a team member about billing or insurance. You can also access your care plan, which includes after-visit summary notes and action items you should complete. Finally, in My Health, you'll see an overview of your important account and health information, from lab results to vitals. Our app is designed to make getting care easier for you. We look forward to seeing you soon.